Imagine kuti pachinzvimbo chekukwira vakadzi dai wakakwira mota dziri mota dzakapakwa payadi pako.
All right, let's continue with the video.
Rinokuuraya bonde ukanyatsota teki naro rinokuuraya. Yes. And so if you are not taking the doctor's advice, you might die on top of a woman. And we have so many stories of that sort, of elderly men, 79, 80 years, who took sex enhancement drugs to revitalize their virility. They did not know the signs I'm talking to you about. They had to say, I'm tired. I'm tired. I think I was Pau, Tasa.
Cardiac arrest.
Cardiac arrest.
Yo, it's like okay TV, right? This is no favorite channel started from today. Guys, this is a channel whereby we analyze and criticize my videos. And my videos ando yana wakapenga, guys. Ndino yana mavira, guys. I don't wanna lie. My video ando yana oga akapenga. So na asita video ra Apostle Chiwenga, and he's talking about simba mimera mnozomboshandisa vanhu rume mimi nenyaya yekupinda. Men do waste a lot of energy nenhawo yavo yekudai. So asina waste nguva itara zita rebasa. Toda kuti iwewe ka ukotimirira bichana chete ndikopita play apa. Apostle Chiwenga unzwe vachimbokubata maparts because vari kukuziva unhu hwako. Iwe wakandaridza vari kutokuziva unhu hwako zvauri kuita. Vanhu vasingakuona handiti. So vanoda kuadvertisa ipo papa panhamba dziri kubuda apa. Vanoda kutaura neni paWhatsApp zvese. Vanenge vada kuzondishauda uyai WhatsApp kuti atsotaura nyaya dzecho. Because iri shoko rikuuya apa kaere riri kudamburai. Vanoda kusupport channel inei. Use that number also. So without wasting much time, guys, uyai mumboshaudwa kuno.
There is a secret that we must talk about here.
Right.
Very important secret which I am not ashamed to discuss. And this secret is also not a very much of a secret because science has already spoken about it.
Yes. All right.
That the amount of energy that comes out from your body when you release seed in the act of intimacy, the amount of energy you use to generate enough thrust to get there from the beginning of intimacy up to the end. I speak as an elder. The whole act of intimacy puts men into intensive labor, such that a man who was in the cornfields the whole day, cultivating corn, has not released energy that a man releases in one act.
Wow.
Simba Simba rinobuda mumurume pabonde rimwe chete. Rakakura kudarika simba raanenge ashandisa muswere wese achisakura mumunda. So ndashandisa mienzaniso wokusakura nekuti ibasa rinorwadza indoriziva. Ndiri muAfrican ndakatombokura ndichisakura. Kana izvezvi ndinogona kusakura. Ndikatowana mukana wacho ndinosakura. Saka munhu wechirume kana mukadzi akaswera achisakura kubva makuseni kusvika panodoka zuva anoneta. Asi murume akaita bonde nemudzimai, simba rinobuda muchiitiko chimwe chete mumba yemukati. rakawanda kudarika simba rinoburitswa nemurume muswere wese achisakura. Kutori mezha chaiko rakawanda, kwete zvekufungidzira, rakawanda.
Guys, simba rinobuda paipai tikajampa gonyeti harimuke. Tirikufungawo zvako kumufungo yako kuti tikakuisa majampa pabhatiri regonyeti tikatadze kumuka here paya.
This is why our elders in the pre-colonial era, when the African societies were still virgin and pure, undefiled, and generally original, before their dilution by the advent of colonialism, where Western culture was forced upon us. During that time, our elders used to teach the boy child, do not waste your strength on women. And they also discouraged the African son from marrying many wives.
Yes.
So as much as it is allowed to be polygynous, to have more than one wife, it was not advisable to have too many of them, for the simple reason that it will kill you.
Yes.
Ichokwadi unofa. Unofa. Guys, seriously, unofa guys. There's this other guy wakuti after the act akapinda mbath vanonogeza handitika, then mukadzi avharara for some hours aona jamaa havasi kudzoka kuzodai so pinda kutoona munhu atofa handitika, ambulance kuzouya kuzodai zvikanzi munhu atoti hatataki kudhara because hanzi ropa rangasati ranyatsoita sei, rangasati ranyatsogadzikana, munhu abva asvidira mvura and boom waenda. Ende vamwewo munozivawo vemaasma vaiva neveshuga vakafa, wana ofisa vaive vekumborova masilver bullets. Aiwa guys, handisi kuseka kuti munhu akafa, but you know what, alright, let's continue with the video.
Rinokuuraya bonde ukanyatsota tek naro, rinokuuraya. Yes. There is deeper scientific information which I might want to share, because we want you to be able to even go into your own time, in your own time, into your own research to verify what we are teaching you. It is unhealthy to do too many acts within a short space of time, because it might compromise the quality of oxygen that enters into your brain.
Exactly.
Okay.
What I'm actually saying is that these two cannot work at the same time.
All right.
Your javelin and your brain cannot work at the same time. They share a most vital supply, oxygen.
Right.
So every time you are intimate with a woman, during that time, your brain stops working. If your brain begins to work at its full capacity, you will die in one act. The body has no capacity to supply oxygen very balanced, very fair to both those areas.
Yeah.
Your javelin.
This is why some scholars and philosophers use a proverbial language that gives the human mind characteristics of men's sexual organs. You read some poetry, they will describe the mind like it is a manhood. Okay. It has to be as useful as your quiver, as your sword, your javelin.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes. Yes.
Your quiver.
So if you take too much time in the bedroom, your brain will become less useful. It doesn't work as much as it needs to work.
Yes.
Nekuda kokuti oxygen inoenda mu brain inoshota. Every time yaunongotanga graft area pane kubirana kunoitika. This is a scientific truth. It's not scriptural. It's not a lesson from the scriptures, but there's some relevance to that. So Jacob says to his son Reuben, Reuben, you are the beginning
of my
strength.
Yes.
Clap hands for me before I explain this. I want to explain it properly. This is why the moment you become to be a womanizer, you become a dandied slowly. You make stupid mistakes. Right. Your brain ceases to be sharp because each time you are doing it, you are starving your brains of quality oxygen. It doesn't get starved completely of oxygen, lest you could have died. But the amount and the quality, it is no longer the right one until you. This is why older people are discouraged from doing it one act after the other. Yes. When you become older, they will tell you, when you do one act with your wife, rest, take a bath, walk around. They are trying to help your heart to recover from excess and from abuse. Because this issue of oxygen we are talking about, it also involves your heart. This
guys, pavatanzi unoita dandaida. Is it why mijolo yenyu chigara yakabatwa? Because brain dzekunyatsokalculata chazichaidzwa dololo. Petro comment section kuti is this why vanhu vachigara vakabatwa?
Your heart rate goes up when you get to that peak of the act. And so if you are not taking the doctor's advice, you might die on top of a woman. And we have so many stories of that sort, of elderly men, 79, 80 years, who took sex enhancement drugs to revitalize their virility. They did not know the signs I'm talking to you about. They had to say, I'm dead. I'm dead. I think Pau, Tasa. Cardiac arrest. Kana kuti insufficient oxygen in the brain. Vanhu vakuti kose guru mavapire mapiritsi iwayo. Zvonzi vakatonotenga vega kufamasi. Vava vaine shungu dzavanga vainadzo.
Rimwe robva rava richiti vakaroiwa, handeti tobvunzira kun'anga.
Muviri wakati hatichazvikwanisa. Unoita cardiac arrest kana kuti unofa nekushayiwa oxygen yakakwana mumusoro. Kana kutostroka uri pachiitiko icho chiya.
Wacho kastroka kazvonzi akarohwa nezvinhu. Vanhu vatemba ka. So
these are important matters. What are we trying to achieve? We want you to know that one of the things we want to discourage men from doing is to wasting strength on top of women. Inotori nhau ine madhimoni akabva kuHadesi. Varume vedu vatinavo mazivana havasisiri varume twatuchongwe. Nekuti kanongosimba kana kapinda mubedroom chete. Hapana kumwe kwakanosimbira.
Ayo, but guys, before taenda kure now tapakati pevideo, ndoda kumbonyatsobvunzawo kuti kana masports achiuraya kuSolomoni sei asina kufa, pfeso iyo yakakasimba wewe.
Ukatasa mubhedha wacho wakari kusimbira pauri, unotoona kuti akana simba nemubhedha chaiwo wakanaka akagone kutenga. Asi kanodikitira kagoita mbiri, zvikadzi zvisina kukwana zvigoti uya akaipa, uya anogona bonde, kwakufira kupiwa mbiri yekuita sei, yekuita bonde, zvichitori nemweya wetsvina. hauna chaunomboburitsa, unenge watoita chiseko pamberi paMwari.
Yes.
Saka pane mweya uripo uri kuda kuti varume varege kuendesa simba kwarakanzi riende, roperera muurombe uhu hwekutsvaga vakadzi. Saka madzikuru edu akakura achitiudza nemadzibaba edu akakura achiudzwa, usapedzere simba rako kuvakadzi. Muzukuru, vakadzi vanopedza simba.
Yes.
So as I speak to you now, look at me. Genesis 49 verse 3 is literally saying Jacob had never been intimate with a woman until that night when he slept with Leah in Syria of Padanaram.
Yes.
Okay.
The
Yes.
beginning of my story.
Yes.
He remembers that night
Amen. All right.
because for the first time Jacob released the seed out of his body.
Amen.
And that seed that comes out of a man when he is intimate with a woman, according to science, it contains millions of cells that can impregnate a woman into millions of sons and daughters. All these years, we were talking about biology, talking about how much semen contains, how much children, how many children with one intimacy. We had not seen that those millions of cells we are talking about are wattages and volts of energy that is coming out of your body.
Amen.
This is why it is sacred for a man to release seed. It's a sacred act. It's an act of godhood. It's an act of godhood. Umwari. Isimba riri kubuda richienda mune mumwe munhu. Simba iroro ngaribude rine chinangwa.
Amen.
Riri kubudira chi. Listen to me.
Yes.
Jacob says to his son Reuben, that night when I slept with your mother, I had never been with a woman in my entire life before that night.
Yes.
I am proud because when that strength came out of me, it produced something
Amen.
called you.
Yes.
But unfortunately, I'm disappointed because you have amounted to nothing. When I look at Reuben, I see wasted strength.
Yes.
Now tell me, if Jacob is disappointed by his strength, but that materialized into a useless son, how is God relating with you when you are busy doing masturbation? What are you doing? Imagine a man stands on a diesel generator, leaves it on for the next 24 hours, doesn't connect any gadget to draw power from this generator.
Yeah.
Why
makes
are you
sense.
wasting energy?
Apa
Now,
zvameka
all
sense.
these things you are struggling with, I struggle with masturbation. You don't know something. It is ignorance
Yes.
of what is, who is losing if you do it,
Yes.
and who is gaining if you do it.
Yes.
Yes.
Unfortunately, even if you do it alone, the energy will still come out.
Yes.
It will still come out. And this is why God killed Onan. God said, what? You are wasting energy.
Yes. Yes.
You belong to a holy nation. We don't waste energy like that.
Yes.
Why did you get intimate with the Tamar in the first place? If your plan was not to get pregnant with your child, you are abusing the capacity that I've given to you for productivity.
Amen.
I'll kill you. So Onan got killed by God because what he did was similar to masturbation. One act, God killed him. How many times have you done it yourself? if God was going to deal with you as he did with Onan.
Hey.
Tingadai takatoita nyaradzo yako kudhara
Yes.
takatoisa tombstone tichiti irombe anowesta simba Mwari akamuuraya. Mwari vakauraya Onani, Mwari vakaurayira Onani kutambisa simba.
Yes.
Rubeni ndiwe kutanga kwekubuda kwesimba rangu. So the men of Israel know that if I'm going to be intimate with a woman, it's me who is being wasted.
Amen.
Yes. Yes.
And not the woman. I do it at my own peril. It better mean something. I've got to marry this woman. She has got to give me children.
Yes.
Amen.
But what Gentiles call it, they call it fun. They call it pleasure, enjoying themselves.
My sports.
Yeah.
There's nothing in your name, nothing in your account. The only place where your name is registered is at the ZIMSEC, where you wrote primary examinations and secondary examinations, and at the Registrar General, where you got a birth certificate and a national ID. In the deeds office, your name is not there. You don't own anything. And now you are blaming sanctions or politics. Some of you are blaming your forefathers. I was born in a poor family. That's why I have nothing. It's not true. God designed a man, every man, with a capacity to start afresh at any given time.
Amen.
Yes. 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 Amen.
Simba unaro.
Amen.
Rekushanda ukavaka misha ukatenga zvinhu ukaunganidza pfuma ukachengeta mhuri vana vako vakave vana vane chiremerera, vana vane direction, vana vakarayirwa, vana vanoziva Mwari, vana vane hunhu, vana vanokura vakatambanudza musha wababa wavo. Simba iroro unaro raperera paaritari yeupombwe.
Yes.
Iko zvinezvi unotoudza vamwe varume kuti vakadzi vanokupembedza kuti unogona bonde. Hausi kuziva kuti uri kuitwa sezvinoitwa fodya. Every time munhu yaari kukweva iye iri kupera.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Women are treating you like a cigarette. Every compliment that a woman is giving you, that you are good in bed, like a cigarette,
Yes.
it is you that is losing value, losing strength, getting used up, expended like a chewing gum.
Yes. Yes.
25 years from now, you are going to be an inconsequential, useless rascal of an old man, going from one child's house to the other, demanding for groceries and money to buy medical supplies. As if someone stole your life and brought it back when you were too old to work for yourself. Why was Jacob not sleeping around? He was a prince. Isaac was very rich.
Amen.
There is nobody tonight in this service who was raised in a well-to-do family comparable to Jacob's family.
Yes.
Donald Trump's children are not as rich as Jacob was, as a son of Isaac. I'm telling you, he was rich, Isaac. He inherited everything that Abraham left.
Amen.
Yes.
And yet he only had one pair of twins, Esau and Jacob.
Yes. Yes.
If you think that he couldn't have afforded women because he was poor, think again. The man was rich. Jacob. Jacob aitora vese maslave queen ese ayatora dai aida zvevakadzi aivatora ese hapana slave queen airaba Jacob kani. Zvinoshamisa kuti anga asati abata mukadzi kusvika aenda kwasekuru kupa dhanharamu reSiria kwakutonzwa kuti ndo zvazvinoitwa asi ndiri kufara handina kutambisa simba rangu ndichaberekerwa mwana ndigokudza baba zita rababa vangu zita redzinza remadzikuru angu ndiri kudzokera kumusha nemukadzi ndonochengeta mhuri yangu torarama tichiziva Mwari tokomborerwa naMwari.
Amen. Amen.
We have a very serious problem, especially in Africa. Those who are poor are the ones with the highest level of indiscipline. The poorest amongst us are the ones that have no discipline. Vacho vanoshayiwa ivava ndo vane vakadzi 4 nemagirlfriends 5. Ivo vanoshayiwa vane vana vanobhadharwa school fees hafu ndivo futi vanoendesera maruva 4 musi wevalentine. Mamwe anoenda kubudiriro, mamwe anoenda kuhighfrieds, mamwe anoenda kuGreendale, mamwe anoenda kushamva. Handiti yakusvika Valley kutozivikanwa nevatengesa maruva kuti pane amudhara 4 anofanirwa kusiyana nemakadzi acho. Tichatozonzwa mudhara kana vauya kuti toti ndiani pakadha. Achidaro izvezvizvi guva rababa wake harina kuvakwa. Achidaro izvezvizvi vana munin'ina vake havana kurejesta kunyora form 4. Achidaro izvezvizvi amai vake mapiritsi eBP havasati vatenga. Asi ari kuonekwa paqueue yemaruva ekutengera nzenza. Ivo vanoshayika ivava, vanoshayiwa ivava ndivo futi vasinganzwe ivava. Saka I want us to ask ourselves, what kind of people are we? A prince like Jacob had never touched a woman until the father authorized it. Go to Padanaram, to your mother's brother's house, Laban. There you shall find a wife.
Amen.
The first time Jacob to touch a woman, she was going to be his wife. So Jacob says, Reuben, you are
Useless.
My firstborn,
Yes.
my might,
Yes.
the beginning of my strength.
Amen.
So we have to be very clear to you. I want you to lament, to mourn.
Yes.
Mourn and ask God to help you recover something we lost before we even knew about it. Decency
Yes.
and superior knowledge.
Amen. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Fornication and adultery. Beyond the idea that they are sins and abominations that God frowns upon, there is also a very, very deleterious negative effect of these things.
Yes.
You are selling your strength at a discount.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Imagine the number of women you have slept with if they were properties you have acquired. Imagine kuti pachinzvimbo chekukwira vakadzi dai wakakwira mota dziri mota dzakapakwa payadhi pako. Let's do it at that.
Umaraka wambuzvona here kuti ukanyatsobata kamari kane meaning cheko chaiko unokota kakozwa kamwe kavhevhe so kamwe kaziwi kekuti apa dendarora dendarora mwe mukadzi akamboona here makule edu aita karima kana kotoni kana fodya aidzoka nemukadzi padheni aroora ndo zvinhu zvinowanzoitika izvozvo but I liked everything chataurwa naApostle, but still ndine kamwe kaquestion kachiri kuita linger in my mind. Let's talk about it in the comment section. Kanyaya kaSolomon na baba wake David. Those guys, they had hundreds of women. Papo pari kufamba sei papapo. Taurai neni mucomment section guys, zvouraya here, because tikuona kuna vamwe vanga vaine ma-hundreds kana kuti zvakuuraya generation yedu. So we just gotta talk about that in the comment section. So iwo wakantarisa iwo aiwa subscriber, aiwa usarwadziwa subscriber. But anyway, and repass. But next video.